how to add keyboard shortcut and personal dictionary on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, click on Dictionary and Personal Dictionary. If you want to add personal dictionary, so select all language English. So click on all language. If you want to add, click on this plus icon. Type a word and add shortcut. Click on done. After click on done, you will see personal dictionary shortcut is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add personal keyboard shortcut personal dictionary on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.